Hello children, myself Shubhai Patil Kulkarni. I am going to continue chapter 5 triangles. In that 5.4 exercise, fourth sum up to fourth sum I solved. Now I am going to solve fifth sum. Fifth sum question is in this manner. Fifth question is in the diagram, they gave one diagram to you. They gave diagram PQR. PQR. In this they mentioned PR is in the diagram, in the figure, okay, PR is greater than PQ. They give. So PR is greater than PQ means opposite to longer side which angle it is, that is bigger than the angle opposite to smaller side. This angle is smaller than this and this is greater than this, dear children. Okay, we come to know that. And PS bisects QPR angle. So what is the meaning of that? PS bisects this angle. These two angles are equal. Let these two angles be XX we consider, because PS is this line is dividing the angle into two equal angles. PS bisects the angle QPR, it is given in the question. Prove that, then prove that PSR angle, this angle is greater than, this is greater, PSR angle, this is greater than this. I have to prove it now. That PSR angle is greater than PSQ. I have to prove it. So PSQ, this is angle, PSQ angle, I have to prove this. I have to prove it this. So then, children, now by observing the diagram, we know now the reason. So data what they are given, PR is greater than PQ. It implies opposite to longer side, the longer angle in the bigger angle it is there. That is PQS angle is greater than PRQ angle. PQR angle or PQS angle, PQR angle, because we are considering that triangle, PQR triangle, opposite to longer side, a larger angle, PQR is greater than PRQ. You call this the equation number 1, children. Okay, so now we know now PS bisects. So PS bisects angle, this is also given, that is QPR angle. So if it is bisecting, then we come to know it implies, what it implies, QPS angle is equal to RPS angle. These two angles are equal. That is XX we consider. These two angles are equal. We call these two angles are equal. Equation number 2, children. So now we consider this triangle. In the triangle, we have to prove this is smaller than this. So now this is greater than this angle. I have to prove it now. So for that now, in triangle, PSQ, then angle P, that is QPS angle plus PQS angle plus PSQ angle is equal to 180 degree. So you then from the call this is equation number 3. Equation number 3. Okay, the same way in triangle PSR angle, other greater than. PQR R. PQS is greater than PRSR PRQ children. So if it is like this way, if it is greater, it should be small to equalize. From one equation 1 children, PQR or PQS. PQS also we can consider, or RPRQ also we can consider children. So if you get confusion, you can write it PQS angle. You can write it, no problem. Or PQR angle you can consider. So you can change it here. PQR is nothing but PQR angle is nothing but PQS. If this is greater, from equation 1, PQR angle, that is PQS, this angle is greater than that PRS angle children. So if this is from 1, we come to know PQS angle is greater than PRS angle. If it is greater than this, then definitely the remaining PSQ angle is smaller than, because both are equal means sum of these two should be equal, sum of these two means already we know PQS is greater than PRS, it is given in the question. So therefore the remaining PSQ is less than PSR. But they told for us to prove it, this only it implies, this only they told for us to prove it, PSR angle is greater than PSQ angle children. So whatever they ask now, we proved children. Here what we have taken, they had given diagram to us, and in that they mentioned in the triangle, one side is longer than another side. So opposite to longer side, which angle will be there, that is larger, and opposite to the smaller side, which angle will be there, it will be smaller angle children. So then by using that property and by setting angle, the sum of those two angles is equal. See, somehow all these three angles should be 180 degree and some of these three angles should be 180 degree. In that equal angle you cancel. If it is greater, these two, sum of these two angles is equal means if this is greater, this should be smaller. If this is smaller, this should be greater. To become sum of those two angles should be equal means like that way it becomes we proved. Therefore PSR angle is greater than PSQ angle children. This only they told for us to prove it. Okay children, write down. Children, next question is sixth question. Sixth question is show that of all line segments drawn from a given point, not on it, the perpendicular line segment, perpendicular line segment is the shortest. And to prove it now children, now you observe, show that of all line segments drawn from a given point, not on it. See now one line I consider, this is a line, So I will put it like that. When we see triangle, in triangle PMN, we know it is perpendicular to this angle is 90 degree. Angle M, that is PMN angle, is equal to 90 degree children. So if this is 90 degree, somehow these two angles should be 90 degree, means this is less than this and this angle is also less than this children. So I want to know by that. So this implies then, so PM, this angle, MPN angle less than PMN angle. Okay. So if this is less than this, opposite to this angle, this side it will be there, MN it will be less than the side opposite to this, that is PN. Okay. PN is the greatest and MN is the shortest than this. We call this the equation number 1 children. Then in the same way, we will got to know this angle is also less than this because it should be less than 90 degree. So MNP angle is less than this angle 90 degree, that is PMN angle. So now if this is less than this, opposite to this, which side it will be, that is PM is less than the side which is opposite to PMN, that is PN. So you call this as equation number 2 children. See, we come to know. So only we have to compare these lines. Now we should not compare these lines. If I draw so many lines also, I want to know now PN side is less than PN. So if I draw so many lines also here, so those lines will be less than this, then this is the shortest. So from equation 2, we come to know that is PN is less than, means PN is perpendicular. Therefore, PN is the shortest line, So that is what the meaning of that. The perpendicular line segment is the shortest. It implies the perpendicular line is the shortest children. So this only take out for us to prove it. So we should not compare, but we have compared here. But if I compare with all these lines, then this is the shortest. This is less than this, so this is the shortest. Because they asked from the point how many lines we draw. No, compared to all those lines, this is the shortest. The perpendicular line is the shortest. We have to prove it. So only we compare those two sides. So if I compare those two sides, the perpendicular side only comes as a shortest children. So that only they don't for us to prove it. Practice daily maths, it becomes easy. Okay children, practice makes man perfect. Thank you.